For years, DJI's Pocket-sized camera series has empowered creators to film cinematic quality content without the need for bulky gear. From vloggers to adventure documentarians, the Osmo Pocket line has consistently packed advanced technology into a palm-sized powerhouse. Now, as anticipation grows for DJI's next innovation, the Pocket 4th Tech, and content creation communities are buzzing with speculation, if leaks and early rumors are any indication, the DJI Pocket 4 might not just be an incremental update. It could represent a pivotal shift in portable video technology, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in a device this compact. From a potentially redesigned screen and advanced stabilization to game-changing slow-motion capabilities and improved heat management, the Pocket 4 could redefine mobile content creation. This comprehensive guide dives deep into the expected features, hardware and software improvements, and what they might mean for both casual users and professionals looking to streamline their workflow with a pocket-sized device that punches well above its weight. Reimagining the form factor, a more functional design, the first thing perspective users may notice about the rumored Pocket 4 is its re-engineered body. DJI appears to be refining its compact form to enhance comfort, usability, practicality during longer shoots. Reports suggest that the new model may come with a slightly larger footprint and weigh in around 190 grams. While some may worry about this added heft, it's likely necessary to accommodate upgrades, most notably a significantly larger screen. The new display is rumored to span 2.5 inches diagonally, an increase from the 2-inch screen on its predecessor. This extra space should make it much easier to frame shots, review footage, and navigate menus, especially when shooting outdoors in bright light. Thanks to its anticipated 800 nit brightness, the display resolution may also see a bump to 480 by 800 pixels, improving clarity for both video monitoring and menu interactions. Improved button placement and a textured, ergonomic grip will likely contribute to a more comfortable shooting experience over extended sessions. For vloggers who rely on handheld stability and one-handed control, these physical refinements could make a significant difference. Next-level imaging, big sensor. Bigger possibilities at the heart of any camera is the sensor, and in this arena, the Pocket 4 appears ready to impress. According to early insights, the upcoming model will feature a large 1-inch CMOS sensor, a notable jump from the smaller sensors used in earlier versions. The increased sensor size brings with it a host of benefits, including superior low-light sensitivity, improved dynamic range, and finer detail reproduction. Whether you're shooting under bright daylight or in the subdued ambience of a candlelit cafe, the Pocket 4 might deliver stunning clarity and vibrant color fidelity. Pairing this sensor could be a 20mm f2.0 lens. It's optimized for wide-angle shots while maintaining sharpness across the frame. This configuration would suit a variety of shooting scenarios, from indoor interviews and handheld vlogging to sweeping landscape captures. Color processing might also take a step forward with support for 10-bit recording, HDR video, and a flat color profile such as D-Log M. These tools give filmmakers more room in post-production to fine-tune their visual aesthetic without compromising on quality. Phase detection and eye tracking autofocus, one of the often cited limitations of earlier Pocket models, has been focus hunting, particularly during movement or low-light scenes. To address this, the Pocket 4 may introduce a completely revamped autofocus system powered by phase detection and integrated eye tracking. If these systems are implemented together, users can expect significantly more accurate and reliable subject tracking, even during fast-paced action or with unpredictable movement. This is a huge leap forward for solo creators who want to stay in focus while walking, dancing, or performing AI-powered enhancements for smarter shooting beyond hardware. DJI may continue expanding its use of artificial intelligence to support better, faster, and more intelligent content creation. The inclusion of a next-gen active track system, possibly version 7.0, is likely. Combining real-time subject analysis with motion prediction, this would not only enhance stability and subject framing, but also allow the camera to intelligently adapt to changes in speed, direction, and lighting. AI scene recognition could optimize settings automatically for different environments, while predictive exposure and stabilization algorithms could ensure footage remains usable. Even during sudden light changes or rapid camera movements, smart modes like story mode, time-lapse, and hyperlapse are expected to return with even more customizable templates, transitions, and background music options. The ability to instantly shoot, edit, and upload professional-looking video from a single device might become one of the Pocket 4's most appealing features: incredible slow motion capabilities, 4K at 240 fps, zone of the most talked-about potential features of the Pocket 4 is its rumored capability to shoot 4K video at an astonishing 240 frames per second. This would effectively double the slow-motion potential of the Pocket 3, offering buttery smooth action shots with cinematic flair. This kind of frame rate at 4K resolution has traditionally been reserved for high-end cinema cameras. Its arrival in a handheld gimbal-stabilized device the size of a chocolate bar would be nothing short of revolutionary. Whether you're capturing a skateboard trick, a splash of water, or a fleeting facial expression, 240 FPS in 4K would open up an entirely new world of visual storytelling, especially for those who value detail and dynamic motion, blending mechanical and electronic. Stabilization stability has always been a key strength of the Pocket series, and DJI is rumored to be improving on an already impressive gimbal system. The Pocket 4 could integrate enhanced mechanical stabilization with new electronic algorithms that adapt dynamically to movement rather than simply canceling out camera shake. These systems could recognize different shooting scenarios and respond with tailored stabilization methods. For example, walking down a cobblestone street would prompt different stabilization behaviors than filming from a moving bicycle or dancing at a concert. This hybrid approach ensures ultra-smooth footage in a wide variety of conditions. The need for additional equipment like Steadicams or tripods, processing power in real time, HDR previews to support all these new features, higher frame rates, advanced AI, and increased resolution. The Pocket 4 is likely to be powered by a new processor. This chip would not only handle large data loads and computational photography, but also enable real-time HDR previews. Being able to monitor your shots with HDR active in real time allows you to adjust exposure, contrast, and color tone on the fly, ensuring you get the exact result you want without having to guess how footage will look later. Battery and heat management upgrades. Another area of anticipated improvement is power and thermal management. The inclusion of a larger screen and more powerful processor typically leads to higher energy demands, but DJI seems poised to counterbalance this with better battery technology. Speculative reports suggest that the Pocket 4 will support fast charging, potentially reaching full charge in just 25 minutes using a compatible PD charger. This would be a significant improvement over the previous model's 32-minute charge cycle. Battery life might also extend beyond the FD3's 1,300 mAh, offering longer, uninterrupted shooting sessions. Heat dissipation is also expected to be optimized, reducing the risk of overheating during prolonged recording in warm climates or under high processing loads. Pricing, release timeline, and market positioning. As for availability, industry observers expect the DJI Pocket 4 to debut in late 2026 or early 2027. Following the company's typical release pattern, the base model may be priced around $699, while a creator combo with accessories like wireless mics, tripod mount, and ND filters could retail for approximately $799. This pricing reflects a small increase over the previous generation, but seems reasonable given the enhanced feature set. For hobbyists and professionals alike, the Pocket 4 may represent one of the most capable all-in-one creative tools on the market without the overhead of larger rigs. A glimpse at DJI's future. Beyond the Pocket 4, interestingly, the excitement around the Pocket 4 coincides with whispers of DJI's deeper move into the standalone camera market. Reports from within Chinese social media circles have hinted at a possible partnership between DJI and Huawei to create mirrorless or DSLR-style cameras. This potential collaboration could challenge established players like Canon, Sony, and Nikon. By merging DJI's expertise in gimbal and stabilization technology with Huawei's computational imaging and AI prowess, while details remain speculative, the strategic possibility is intriguing. DJI's previous success with professional camera systems, such as the Zenmuse line and the Ronin 4D, suggests the company is no stranger to high-end imaging. Combining these assets with Huawei's mobile imaging dominance could result in a powerful new competitor in the camera industry. Conclusion: is the Pocket worth the wait? Based on current leaks and insider speculation, the DJI Pocket looks to be one of the most ambitious pocket-sized video devices ever conceived. It promises to blend professional-grade video performance with intuitive design and AI-driven features that simplify production for creators of all levels. If even a portion of these rumored upgrades make it into the final products, such as 4K to 40 FPS,